Hello students, so this is a question from Stacks and Queues and it's a 2 marks question. So suppose we implement a queue with two stacks S1 and S2. To insert into the queue, we push into S1 and to remove, we first check if S2 is empty and if so, we pop each element from S1 and push on to S2 and then we pop from S2. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to implement queue using stacks. So what we will do is, so whenever we want to perform NQ operation, we will push onto the stack S1. So we'll perform push operations on stack S1. Okay, so as and when we want to insert elements, we'll push those elements onto S1, and whenever I want to perform DQ operation, I will pop all the elements from S1, pop all the elements from S1, and then push those elements on S2. So push those elements on S2 and pop this element, okay, and I'll pop this element from S2. So whatever element will come out, that will be the element which I want to DQ. Okay, so NQ operations, to perform NQ operation, I'll perform push operation on S1. To perform DQ operation, I'll perform push operation on S2. Okay. So suppose each push and pop takes 1 unit of work. What is the cost of following 10 operations on the queue implemented by two stacks? Okay. So these are the set of operations which are given to us, and we want to find the unit of work which we are doing. Okay. So 3 and Q. So let's assume that we are inserting 3 elements. So let's say that these elements are 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So 1, okay, then 2 and 3. So the amount of work which we are performing is 3. So this is my stack S1. So when I want to push, I will push into this stack. So now there is this 2DQ operation. So to perform 2DQ operation, I'll pop elements from S1 and push those elements into S2. So I'll pop one element from S1 and then push that element into S2. So 3 will come here, then 2 will come here, and 1 will come here. So how much units of operation I have done here? I've done 6 units of work because I performed 3 pop operation and 3 push operation. So this is nothing but 6. And we are yet to do 2 DQ operations. Okay, so this is my stack S2. Okay, and at this point of time, S1 is empty. So now I want to perform 2 DQ operations. So I will perform 2 pop operations from S2. So that is nothing but plus 2. So my 2 elements are removed now, and in S2 I have only one element, and which is 3. Okay. Now I want to perform 3 NQ operations. So what I will do is I will take this stack S2. I'll take this element out. Okay, push that element into S1. So that is 2 units of work. So this is now my stack S1. S2 is empty and 3 is here. Okay, and now I will perform 3 NQ operations. So let's say 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 3 elements which I inserted. So 3 units of work I have done here. So plus 3. Okay, plus now I have to do 2 DQ operations. So to perform DQ operation, I will pop all this element out, push it into the stack S2, and then I will perform pop operation. Okay, so the elements of S2 will be 6, 5, 4 and 3. So this is the stack S2. S1 is empty now. Okay, and so we have done 8 units of operation here, 4 to perform push and 4 pop operations. Okay, and then I will again perform 2 pop operations. So the result of the last 2 elements which will be left in S2 will be 6 and 5. So I have taken the 2 elements out of the stack. Okay, so at the end I have performed 2 units of operation here. Okay, so this is the last 2 DQ operations. So that's it. So now let's sum all these digits. So that is nothing but 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 12, 22 plus 4 is 26. So 26 is the answer. 26 is the units of operation which we have done. Okay, so now by you can try by yourself Try take a queue and perform this many operations. Take these numbers which we have taken here, and you can see that the behavior of queue, which is first in first out, is mimicked by using two stacks. Okay, and the unit of work which we have done is 26. Thank you.